Here's part 6 of Haitian for the holidays. Today we're making fried pork shoulder, also known as griot. It's a detailed explanation, so make sure you save this video for later. I'm using pork shoulder that I purchased from the meat department at my local supermarket. The first step is to inspect the meat, and then cut the pieces down to a medium-small size. I like to fillet the bigger pieces horizontally, as it cooks better while it's boiling. This pig had a lot of fat residue, so I'm gonna make sure I clean it really well. I rub each piece with salt, lime, and vinegar. Then let the pork shoulder sit in boiling hot water for at least 1 minute. Then let it sit in cold water immediately afterwards. It stops the cooking process from the hot water. Notice how much residue came off of the pork. This is why it's important that you clean your meat. In a new bowl, I season the meat with creole Haitian épices, because 1 spoonful has all the ingredients I need. Marinate in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. In a pot on medium heat, add some cooking oil, add in the pork shoulder and enough water to cover the meat 3/4 of the way. Now here's a fun fact. Cooking pigs in Haiti, you don't need to add any water. It cooks in its own fat, but American pigs are a little different. Now let this cook for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour. When the pork shoulder starts falling off the bone and is tender to the touch, it's ready. Here's the thing about cooking pork shoulder. In the end, it's normal to see that all the grease has risen to the top and all the broth is underneath. In Haiti, you would now fry that griot in the same fat. Again, since the pigs in the US are a little different, that part might not be possible. It depends on the pig. Some frying oil to 350 and then fry for 2 minutes. In the end, you should have something that looks like this.